Ano ka mong utang? Manimbag ng balintay ako, ma'am, sir, mabuhay. Siya meron lang sa korpos, tapos sa mga gadgetot ta, yung ikikadwa. Kasi nga,
Bale, sakit ni Solomon Belta po, ma'am, sir. Sa isang guide yung tatamalen.
so, good afternoon to each and everyone, ma'am, sir. Gabino, mabuhay. Isa rin ako tour guide dito yun, hapon. At sila rin kasama. So, before we arrive the river, we have cornfields to pass. It takes 5 to 10 minutes in traveling to reach the river. Let's be careful to be safe. And trekking the trail as you reach the highest point, await and mysterious and magnificent blue waterfalls and caves. The cascading water from the mouth of the cave rushing towards the lagoon of blue waterfalls and surrounded by tendrils of tropical vines and bouquets of other kids and birds. And after the blue lagoon, we still have another place to go there in Lipit Canyoneering. And there, please don't take off your helmet because sometimes there are many monkeys playing on top of the trees and vines. And there are also reasons why there is a falling stone from up above and maybe hit your head. So let's always be careful. If anyone doesn't know how to swim, don't hug your partner so it doesn't drown. Kung meron kayong anak, bawal po. At saka, kung naninigarilyo naman kayo, meron po tayong smoking area doon sa loob. No. Keep in mind that during travel, the best payback to nature is by taking care of it and not leaving crosses and also pay respect to the community.